Hey traders, welcome to season 2 of trading a funded account with Funded Trader Markets. Now you guys have been following the series from the very first one where I traded a funded challenge in a series of videos showing you how to trade it effectively using the one candlestick strategy. And I traded that account up to the day when I got a payout. You can go and watch those series. I'll leave the full playlist at the end of this video. So guys, in this season, I am going to be trading the same account because the account was reset back to $50,000. So I'm going to be trading it until I get the second payout. So without wasting any more time, I am going to show you the trades I have taken for the past 6 or 7 days. I've not been recording those sessions when I'm taking the trades because some of you guys said last time that the videos were way too long and you couldn't keep up with the videos because they were way too long. So this time I decided to just trade, and then I'll show you guys the trade history and everything, how I was able to trade the one candlestick strategy to get the results that I have at the moment. Guys, if you don't want to miss any of the videos I'll be posting, give a like on the video, subscribe to the channel guys, and let us go forward. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you guys what is happening. All right guys, so we are here on the screen, and as you can see on the top left corner, this is my account with Funded Trader Markets, which is a platform that I have chosen to trade with to show you guys how you can trade the one candlestick strategy effectively and get yourself payouts like this. Also, consider using the link in the description of this video and get yourself an account with Funded Trader Markets and start your journey to getting funded, guys. I'll show you the dashboard and also the website for Funded Trader Markets in a moment. But this time, because some of you guys were saying the videos last time were way too long, you couldn't keep up with the videos, so I decided to just trade, and then I'll show you guys the history and the trades that I actually took so that you guys can follow along. All right, so let's look at the account balance and the history. So here you can see I have $51,124 US dollars, which is showing that I have actually made a profit of $1,124 US dollars already. Okay, so I am just going to show you on the history tab right here the trades that I have taken. But let's just go back and look at the whole account. So the entire account, this account here, the account number was not changed. They just reset the account but gave me the same account, all right, after the withdrawal. So the total profit I've made so far is $2,784 US dollars on this account. Okay, and as you can see down here, we have a withdrawal of 1,510. Okay, and if you go up, you can see that withdrawal from the first one here. This was the deposit, and then when you scroll down like this, you can see that we had a withdrawal of 1,510 here. Okay, where this blue highlight is, that's where the withdrawal was effected. And then the account was reset, and then I started trading on the 1st of October. This was the first trade. This one here was the first trade I took on the 1st of October. So let me change the history to that custom period from 1st of October, okay, so that we can be able to see how I have been trading, right? So let me just change this history so you can see now it starts from exactly 1st of October. That was when I started trading. So you can see the pairs I traded. I've traded mostly gold and silver, and also some US 100 and other pairs like CHF JPY, GBP JPY, right? So we'll look at some of those in a moment. So you can see I took these trades here and I have made some losses, which is -157, -50, -52. But overall, if you look at the profits, okay, the profitable trades, they are way bigger than the losses, as you can see here. So far, I have made $1,157 US dollars on this season 2 of trading Funded Trader Markets challenge and funded account, right? So you can see this is the account which is reset. So far, I have no withdrawal, as you can see here, but I have a profit of 1,123, all right? So let's go over some of these trades and see where I took these trades. Let's start with the gold trades. So on the gold chart right here, as you can see, this is gold. I started taking these trades on the 1st. As you can see, this was when I took these trades. As you can see, this is the 1st of October. here. I took the trades here and I exited here. The moment I exited, the market dropped against us, but eventually it went up. Then the next day, which was on the 6th, was when I took the next gold trades. All right, after I skipped these, I was trading other pairs. I took other trades on the 6th of October, and then I exited here on the same day. And then I took more trades here. This was on the same day, but later on I added another trade because this first trade here was in drawdown as the price went down. I added another one here because at this point here the price had pulled back inside of the tradable zone, which is this purple box here. It was down here, so I saw an opportunity and I added another one on gold. And remember guys, when you're watching this, don't take this as financial advice, okay? I'm just showing you how I am able to trade, okay? Take this as information, not financial advice, all right? Seek services of a qualified financial advisor if you want financial advice. But here on the channel, I simply show you what works for me, all right? Do your own research at your own discretion and make your decisions based on your own analysis, all right? So I took these two trades, I added these two trades, and I closed both of them up here in profit, okay? As you can see, the profit there was $132 US, all right? So I also took another scalp trade up here and I closed it immediately. It was a very small loss of like $1 something, right? On the 9th of October, I took another buy trade here, which you can see. I took it in this purple box, which has not updated. At the recording of this video, you can see that this is where I took the trade, and then I closed it here within the purple box because I realized that the market was coming to the all-time high. It might create equal highs and drop. That's exactly what happened here. So I secured some profit here, which was $62 US, and those were the trades on gold. Now let's look at the other trades for the other pairs. I remember I also took trades on AUD, NZD, US 100, but I won't show you all the trades on all the pairs because the video will be way too long, but I'll just show you the ones for silver, and then I'll show you the ones for US 100 because those are the pairs I traded most, okay, with gold, so that you guys can also follow along. Remember, I am only using the one candlestick strategy together with the indicators that I have developed here to help me get entries better and quicker, right? So let me show you guys on US 100 what happened and the trades that I took, all right? So for US 100, you can see clearly how accurate my entries have been. So for US 100, I started trading on the 6th of October. That's when I started trading US 100 here. I took the first buy here, and then the market went into profit. When it pulled back down into the tradable zone, I added another trade. Then I closed the first one up here, and then I added another trade and added another trade here. So those three trades which were running went into drawdown the next day as the market pulled back down, okay, into the tradable zone. So I held them until when it went up, I saw the profit there and I closed out those trades. Just look at, guys, how very good my exits are. I exited here and the market dropped, you see? So I secured my profit before the market dropped. That was on US 100. So US 100, I took a total of about 4 trades. Yes, there were 4 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 4 trades and all of them ended profitable. And then when we look at silver, silver was pretty much the same as gold. I took the same setups like gold. Let's just look at silver, and then I'll show you on my dashboard also the same trades and where the account stands at the moment. I took the first trades on silver also from the 6th. You can see I took the first trades here on the 6th, here 6th of October here, and I made $48 US on this trade here going up. I added another trade here and another trade here, and I closed all of them. So I had 1, 2, 3 trades on that day. I closed all of them in profit, okay? $51 US, and then this one was $10 US, and then this one was a negative of $15. But overall, the total was profitable for this day on silver. Then on the 8th, I took a buy trade here on silver and I closed that trade quickly. I made a profit of $14 there. This was another trade I took on another day on silver, and I closed that trade with a profit of 77 US dollars. I closed this one quickly because you imagine if I had left it, it would have really gone up almost to, because if this is 77 US dollars, this would have been about 300 US dollars up here. So anyway, I was just securing my profit because I didn't want to hold for long. All right, so those are the trades I took on silver and US 100 and also gold. Right now, when you look at, for example, GBP JPY, I also took some trades on GBP JPY, but it was just like 1 or 2 trades. I took a trade, a buy trade here. After the market pulled back down here, the tradable zone was here. I took a buy trade there and I closed the trade there. It's the same as also CHF JPY. When the market pulled back down here, I took a trade here and I closed it up here. Then also I took a trade here after it pulled into the purple box. You can see this one is, the purple box is even still valid. Okay, so the first trade was this one. I took the buy here and I closed the trade up here with a profit of 173 US dollars. And then the next day you can see the purple box is even still here. It hasn't updated. I took a trade after the purple box has been tested here and I closed with a profit of 190 US dollars. So guys, that is it on my MT5. Those are the trades I took on my MT5. As you can see, the history right here. Okay, so let me show you the dashboard. So right now on the dashboard, you can see that it is the same profit I have here and the account is the same as you can see here. Look at my consistency score. It is 27.91% out of 45. So I am eligible to make a withdrawal. All right. However, I want to make at least 1,250 or more. So next week, I'll take trades for another 1 or 2 days. Then I'll request for a withdrawal. So guys, watch out for that video. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss that update. The trading days I have already passed. You can see 6 out of 5. 5 are required, but I've traded for 6. My win rate is 80%. Okay. Remember, this is season 2. Season 1, I had a win rate of about 70%, 76, 70%. Right now, I have 80% win rate, okay? So this strategy really works. I'm showing you guys practically how the one candlestick strategy works, all right? So far, these are the trades you can see, the trades I've taken, right? This is like a summary. I started trading on the Wednesday of last week, of the other week, which was the 1st of October, okay? 1st of October, I lost $4 on that day, but it was just a rollover. The next day I made 313 US dollars, and then the next day I made 12 US dollars, then 251, 276 and 274. So the total of this is what you see on the account up here, guys. So guys, you can see the request button is already showing, meaning I can request for a payout here. But I just want to make this reach at least 1,250 or something like that, so that I can get a net withdrawal of 1,000 US dollars. All right. So guys, this prop firm is really good. Okay, it's really good. Don't ever think that this prop firm here is going to fail to pay you out. They have very good service. All right. Some of you have already got payout from Funded Trader Markets, and that is good. You guys have been following what I have been teaching you on the channel, and you've been able to pass your challenge with Funded Trader Markets, and you've actually gone ahead and taken a withdrawal. Thank you guys for believing in me. All right, let me show you guys the website. So right now, Funded Trader Markets is actually running a promotion. You can see the promotion is running still. You can get yourself an account. They have account types from 1-step challenge, 2-step evaluation, and also instant funding. All right, you can just choose your account type according to the rules that you see that fit you best. Right, they have the cheapest account challenges I've seen, guys, in the industry, and they have the rules that are favorable for you to actually pass and get funded. Guys, use the link in the description of this video. Go and sign up with Funded Trader Markets and start taking your trading seriously and be on your journey to getting funded. Remember that Funded Trader Markets gives you a guarantee of a 24 hours payout, or they will double your payout. If you watched my previous video, you saw that I actually got my payout in less than 5 hours. It was actually less than 1 hour. If you get a delay of more than 24 hours, they will actually double your payout. And also, they give you your payout on demand. You don't have to wait for 2 weeks. As you can see right now, I've just traded for about 1 week. Okay, but already I see a request payout button here, which means I can request my payout. I don't have to wait for 2 weeks or 1 month to request a payout. So you can see, guys, this is a platform that you can actually trade with and get yourself funded, guys. So guys, that is the update for season 2 episode 1. I hope you guys have enjoyed the content. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and guys, let's push forward. Guys, I have been showing the one candlestick strategy for a couple of videos now, and I believe you guys are benefiting from this because some of you are actually putting this into action in your trading, and some of you have passed your challenge with funded trader markets and you've actually requested a withdrawal, which is good. You guys are sharing with me some of that information, which really makes me happy. So guys, thank you so much for your support. Until next time, let's see each other in the next episode. Peace and out.